Hello guys, hope you're doing well. As usual, I'm Andreas from SmartLink B2B Solutions. We are a cold email outreach company that specializes in script writing, lead generation. We also build custom cold email infrastructures and audit email deliverability. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to get the most out of your cold email outreach efforts. This video is taught for people who have their infrastructure set up in a correct way, from setting up only vanilla accounts to warming them up, to having a strong lead list generation process in place. Basically, people who are already seeing replies, out of office replies, negative and unsubscribe responses, but they are not really seeing positive responses. Along our clients, especially our infrastructure build and training clients, I have seen this mistake a lot recently and thought about recording this quick Loom video destined for both beginners and cold email experts. The mistake I'm talking about is the way people tend to write and think their scripts. Recently, I have reviewed a lot of scripts that basically just ask for a quick call without providing social proof, case studies, concrete examples, or any value to the people we are reaching out to. The number one thing to keep in mind when reaching out cold to people is that we are asking for their time, whether it is for a call or just a simple response. So we have to offer something in return for the time. Make the time they are offering us worthwhile. Now, there are some major points I concentrate on when writing a script to add weight in our cold emails that makes up for the time our prospects have to invest in us and to capture the interest of our prospects. The number one thing would be social proof, where you can leverage recognizable branding, known clients or partners, also case studies. Do a lot of good to your cold email outreach efforts, but these have to be, of course, transparent, realistic, and honest results. And what is also very important is what comes up when they Google you. Now, here you should consider your website, your reviews, your testimonial page, and third-party mentions. If you don't have those yet, you can offer free work initially to get the case studies and reviews, or you can have a guarantee or risk reversal. But my favorite thing to do is offer free value upfront in order for you to show confidence and competence. Now let's talk about how we can implement this, changing our call to action. Here we have two options. Option one is that the CTA is going to be easy for you, like book a call here, book a call if you're interested. It is easy for you. You have no back and forth conversations, but that works much better for people with a lot of social proof. Option number two is that your call to action is going to be easy for your prospect. Like, can I send you a video audit? Are you interested in a free audit? Offering basically a reduced sample of your work. Now, in this case, this will get you a lot more yeses, also a lot more work to do and a lot more people ghosting you, but you are going to have a few people that you are really able to help. Now, the above is really important to do in the initial outreach email, but you have to think about follow-up sequences in the same way. You should gather all the information and value you can provide to your prospects and make each follow-up meaningful by adding more information, more social proof, or more value to your initial outreach email. Just asking if they got a chance to review your last email and asking for a call again will not cut it. We want our prospects to have all the information, social proof, and the value we can provide given to at the end of our sequence so they can make a decision if their time is worthwhile invested in us. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn or leave a comment in the YouTube section. Or you can also book a consulting call with me where we can discuss your cold email outreach efforts. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this, and I hope this is helpful.